Hi everyone, it's Gillian and welcome back to my channel, Crochet by Gillian. Same channel, new name. For today's tutorial, we are working on a very quick and easy flower motif, flower granny square, just 4 rounds. So let's get started. To begin round 1, you're going to start with a magic ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and that chain 3 counts as a half double crochet plus a chain 1. Into the ring you're going to make a half double crochet, chain 1, and make a half double crochet into the ring, and you're going to repeat. You're going to make a chain 1 and make a half double crochet into the ring, and chain 1. So you're going to repeat this sequence around until you have a total of 8 half double crochets and 8 chain 1 spaces. At the end of the round, chain 1, and you're going to join to the second chain 1 and 2, and you're going to chain 1 and fasten off here. So you want to count your stitches and make sure that you have 8 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 8 chain 1 space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. For round 2, you can join in any of the chain 1 spaces with a slip stitch. And you're going to make a beginning popcorn stitch. First, you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and into that same chain 1 space, you're going to make 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you're going to remove your hook from the loop, and you're going to go to the top of the chain 3, you're going to place that loop back onto your hook, and you're going to pull that through to create your first popcorn stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Into the next chain 1 space, you're going to make a popcorn stitch, and you're going to make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to remove your hook from the loop. You're going to go in to the first double crochet stitch, place that loop back onto your hook, and you're going to pull that through. And this time you're going to chain 2, 1 and 2. Into the next chain 1 space, make another popcorn stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remove your hook from the loop and insert your hook into the first double crochet stitch and place that loop back onto your hook and pull that through. And this time you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make another popcorn stitch into the chain 1. And you're going to repeat the sequence. So every other time you will be chaining. First you chain 3, then you chain 2, chain 3, chain 2. Continue that way and we'll meet at the end. At the end here you should be chaining 2, and you're going to join to the first popcorn stitch with a slip stitch. And you're going to chain 1 and fasten up. You should have 8 popcorn stitch, and you should have 4 chain 3 spaces and 4 chain 2 spaces. For round 3, you can join in any of the chain 3 spaces that you like. I'm going to join with a standing treble crochet. You could also use a chain 4, and that chain 4 will count as your first treble crochet. To make a standing treble crochet, you're going to start by placing a slip knot on your hook, and you're going to wrap your hook twice. You're going to go into the space and pull up a loop. You should have 4 loops on your hook, just like a treble crochet. You're going to wrap your hook and pull through the first 2 loops. Wrap your hook and pull through the next 2 loops. And then wrap your hook and pull through the last 2 loops. In that same space, you're going to make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. And you're going to switch colors, so you're going to bring in another color. And you're going to pull that through to complete the stitch. And we're going to be carrying the non-working yarn with us here. Now you're going to be working into the chain 2 space, and you're going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And you're going to make a color change. And into the next space, which is your chain 3 space, you're going to make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. And you're going to make a treble crochet. You're going to wrap your hook twice for a treble crochet. You're going to go in and pull up a loop, and you're going to pull 2 loops off, 2 loops off, and then 2. You're going to chain 2, and you're going to make a treble crochet in that same space. 1, 2, and 3. In that same space, you're going to make 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. And you're going to switch your colors. In the chain 2 space, make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, and you are going to make a color change. You are going to repeat this sequence around, and we'll meet at the end. You're going to switch colors here, and you're going to complete the corner space. You're going to make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. You're going to make a treble crochet. Chain 2, and you're going to join to the first treble crochet stitch or top of your chain 4 with a slip stitch, and you can fasten off this color. And that is the end of round 3. For round 4, you're going to slip stitch into the next 2 stitches. You're going to slip stitch into the next space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make 2 double crochets into the space below. 1 and 2. You're going to skip the stitches in between and you're going to be working into the next space, and you're going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, and you're going to bring in another color, and you're going to be carrying the non-working yarn with you, and you're going to work the chain 2 corner space. Make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, chain 2, and make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, and you're going to switch colors. You're going to make 3 double crochets into the next 2 spaces, 1 and 2. One, 2, and 3, and you're going to repeat into the next space, 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3, and you're going to switch colors. Into the corner space, you're going to make 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and make 3 more double crochets into that space. 1, 2, 3, and you're going to switch colors. So you just repeat this around and we'll meet at the end. At the end here, we're going to switch colors to join, and we're going to fasten off both colors. Going to join to the double crochet stitch and into the back loop of that last stitch, and then over to the top of your chain 3. And that is the end of the tutorial. That was a quick and easy 4 rounds, and you have a very beautiful flower motif. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share it, and we'll see you in the next video.